So one of the things that you can easily do in Claude is generate out Word documents. So for that, over here in the chat section, I can simply go ahead and say this. Create a well-formatted Microsoft Word document about the benefits of positive thinking right here. Make it about 2 pages with green and yellow colors right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and say make sure to add in illustrations as necessary as well, and do not use too much long sentences. Let's say, for example, right here, there's some errors, so let's just go ahead and correct it out right here. So this is what you have to say. Create a well-formatted Microsoft Word document, and then you can simply go ahead and hit send. So once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and read off the docx skill right here from the library, and then we'll install the docx maker itself. And then what it will do is it'll go ahead and create out the document for you. So you can see the color code and everything. You don't really need to know what the code does, but it is actually creating the document for me right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip to the part when the generation completes. And then now you can see that the doc has been created. So if I were to actually go ahead and then click right here, just like this, then what happens is that you will be able to see the preview of the doc that is created. So you can see that yellow and green, as I said, is actually created right here with some graphics as well. And then what you can simply do now is you can go ahead and click on download. And as you do that, you can see that there is the docx file right here. You can go ahead and enable out editing and then see this document. So this is basically how you can go ahead and easily generate out Word documents as you like using Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.